It's me again, Rachel. Ngayon naman po, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang laman ng Young Living Essential Oils Basic Starter Kit at Desert Mist Ultrasonic Diffuser. So, here we go! Ito ang kanya operations manual. This is the power cord. This is naka-sealed pa po. As you can see, napaka-elegant niya. Tapos, merong dalawang button. One is for power and the other one is for option button. Meron siyang lalagyan ng water. Yan. Cute. Excited na ako gamitin. Starter kit. So, let's see. Okay. Here you go, guys. Look. The content are... We have here are 10 kinds of basic essential oils. So, nasa product guide naman po yun. So, titingnan po natin kung meron pa siyang something sa loob. Ay, meron pa! Here, yung little bottles. Frankincense. We will see what is frankincense. And yung Living Stars Away, meron pa pala siyang extra bottle inside. This one is mixed fruit drinks, like iniinom. So, ayun po, nakita na natin ang loob nitong Young Living Essential Oils Basic Starter Kit. So, hindi lang pala siya 10, meron pang isang bottle sa loob plus yung pwedeng inumin at yung mga little bottles ganun for kasama siya sa kit. So, yun po. Again, for those who are interested, please let us know and we will discuss what is Young Living Essential Oils is all about and what are the benefits. So, guys, sa susunod ko pong video, ipapakita ko po yung actual na function nitong diffuser plus yung paglalagay po nung oil. So, see you guys. Thank you and God bless!